welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies, I can't see anything. My hair, you guys, like, y'all, I look like a cotton ball, like literally, I look like a cotton ball. I look like this. As you guys can see, my hair has definitely filled out a lot more since the last hair update. Hair has grown, you guys, like, I don't know what happened. It may be something I'm eating, maybe it's the vitamins I'm taking, I don't know what it is, but my hair has been growing the past couple of months. Before we get started with this video, I want to introduce you guys to a brand called Function of Beauty because they do actually make you a customized shampoo and conditioner. All you have to do is go on their website, fill out a 2-minute quiz. They'll ask you about your own personal preferences, hair type, hair goals, and then a color and a fragrance. As you can see, I picked pink. I actually went fragrance free with my formulas, but then they create you your own conditioner and shampoo. So I'm gonna read you guys what I actually picked for my own. So for my profile, I put that I have curly, medium, normal hair. So as you guys can see, like, my hair isn't like very dry, it's also not oily, and it is like medium density. It's not super thick, but it's also not thin. And then for my goals, I put to hydrate, lengthen, deep condition, strengthen, and curl definition. And you guys, right now, I do not have anything in my hair. Obviously, I have like messed with it a little bit just by like touching it on its own, but like I don't have any sort of hair products in my hair, and I truly, really love this conditioner. It really does define my curls, and it does deep condition it without making it feel really heavy, which a lot of deep conditioners do for me personally. I am honestly sick and tired of constantly buying shampoo and conditioners, and it's so hard for me to find one that works for me, and I end up with a lot of half bottles underneath my counter, and obviously that's money consuming. All of their products are paraben free, sulfate free, 100% cruelty free, vegan, no GMOs. Like, these are good y'all. It did come with the pumps. Obviously it does come with like a cap, but you can choose to put the pump in whether you want to or not, which I decided to because I personally love to have pumps on my stuff. And they do also have travel sizes available for purchase on the website. I personally believe this shampoo and conditioner has done exactly what I wanted it to do. It has been providing me with that shine. It has been providing me with the volume that I wanted, and it's not making my hair frizzy. The more I touch it, the more I mess with it, like my hair's not getting frizzy, and I love that. I have been using these products for almost a month now, and I can't say that I'm very happy. My favorite out of the both of them would probably just have to be the conditioner, just because it's pink. I'm very happy with the products, and I'm very happy that they have been actually helping me reach my hair goals as well. So if you guys are interested in checking out, if I could see, if you guys are interested in checking out Function of Beauty, I do have a link below that will give you guys 20% off of your first order. This is available in the United States, Canada, Europe, Great Britain, New Zealand, and Australia only. However, if you guys are interested, I will have all the links below so you can go ahead and check them out. The first thing I'm gonna do is give you guys a little bit of a length check. Oh my goodness, see, this is why I don't wear my hair down. I always have it in a bun. I always have it out of my face because literally, like, I want to cut the front into bangs, but I don't want to lose my length. Let me give you guys a little length check, length test. So it has been 1.5 years since I shaved my head back in February. So this is how long my hair is on the bottom. As you can see, we got some length, honey. And then we go, oh, I love how it bounced back. And then if we want to go ahead and pull from the front, the last time I did this test, it stopped right here at my jaw. So let's see if we pass that. Okay, I think it's been like a month and a half or 2 months since my last video. So this is how much my hair has grown about this month, or this much since the last vid. So I do think that my hair probably grows at a rate of like ½ an inch every month. So as far as like hair growth stuff or anything that I've been doing to try to manipulate my hair to grow a lot faster, I have not been doing anything. The last time I did the rice water method was when I made the video the last time. So whenever that was when I did that to my hair. The reason I stopped is because a lot of people in the comments are saying, Vanessa, if you do it too much, you're gonna add too much protein to your hair and it's gonna actually cause it to thin out or fall out. So I think I'm probably gonna only do the rice water treatment to my hair probably every like 3 months just to be safe. I'm just personally scared that I'm gonna weaken my hair just because my hair is not like the thickest on its own already. So I don't wanna do anything that might jeopardize it into like thinning out or something. We do have some good news, however, my edges are finally growing in. As you guys can see, we have a hairline now. That's sad. I finally have a hairline. My edges are starting to slowly grow in. Like, are we happy? Because I'm happy. Y'all, I remember this whole area was bald, and this literally went back like over here. My only thing is, like, my only big problem with my hair is on the left side. I noticed that it does grow in thinner, and I'm wondering what that is. Like, I don't pull this side of my hair more, and also when I put my hair up or in buns or whatever, I'm very gentle. I only use scrunchies that are not gonna rip my hair out, and I don't even like tie the scrunchie twice. I put it once, I do that, put it once and just let it sit there because I don't want to add too much like tension. But I did notice on this side of my head, this little area right here, like I can literally feel my scalp, y'all. Like it does not feel like, oh, she split her hair and like it's a, ooh, it was cold. Like it literally, it feels, I'm so insecure about that side of my head. Like literally that's why I do not like, y'all remember when I was doing that hairstyle where I would split it down the middle and then like sleek it down? I don't even do that anymore. I did it for the Zaffle event that I went to just because I did not know what else to do with my hair that day and I was struggling. I was going through too much at the moment. Going through too much. I literally did not know what to do and I hated having my hair in that style just because it was hot and it started puffing up and it was a mess. For that reason, I do not split my hair that way just because I feel like people can see my like little bald spot that I have right there. And I'm gonna assume it's probably from the damage of the extensions. Maybe I just can't grow hair there anymore, I don't know. I don't get my hair braided. Whenever I get wigs put on, they just put the wig cap on and then they install it. But the only time I did that was what, like a couple days ago for the music video for Bet, which by the way, my new song Bet is out right now, so make sure you go and stream it on Apple Music and Spotify. My artist name has changed from Vanessa to Nessa Briella. It's so cute to me. We'll put all the links to my music down below as well as the music video, so make sure you guys go and check that out. I would really appreciate if you support my art. Anyways, back to my hair. Yeah, I don't really wear wigs at all, only for videos, you guys. Like I swear to you, if you ever see me in public, it's never with a wig. It's not because I don't like wigs, like I love the way they look, but I can only stand them these days for maybe like an hour max and I have to rip that shit off, like I just cannot. Another thing that I think that could possibly been making my hair grow a little faster could be that I finally switched back to eating meat again. I was eating plant-based since January and probably around the middle of May is when I started eating meat regularly again. Maybe it was the meat that I wasn't eating anymore and maybe my body was like, since you don't want to eat no chicken, sis, if you don't want to pick up that wing, then we're gonna go ahead and make you bald. And then the vegans, and I know the vegans are running to the comments to say, well, if you were getting all the nutrients and if you were really taking care of yourself, that wouldn't have happened. I was. I've been making sure that I get everything, all the nutrients that I need in my system, so I'm not really sure why my hair started growing and thinner, and my only excuse could be that I cut out meat. I don't know. I'll let you guys know in the next update, and I'm gonna continue to eat meat for the next couple of months, and then maybe I'll go plant-based again and we'll see what happens, and maybe that has something to do with my hair. Vitamin-wise, if you guys saw a couple of videos ago, I did start using the Care of vitamins, and inside of that packet, it's like turmeric, magnesium, a hair, skin, and nails, and something else in there for my brain. I can't remember what it was called, which is pretty bad. Maybe that's why I'm taking brain vitamins, right? But I've only been taking those hair vitamins for maybe, what, like 2 months now, so I'm not gonna even consider that those have been helping me, just because I've already went on a spiel about this in the past that I do not think hair vitamins can necessarily make your hair grow faster. I think it can be providing more nutrients on top of the ones that you should be getting already. So maybe that can give you a boost, but I don't actually think that a gummy is going to really make your hair grow really fast. So that's why I say don't trust these Instagram girls, y'all. They get paid thousands of dollars to promote these fucking gummies and vitamins, and they never eat them again. Overall, like I said, I don't think the vitamins have anything to do with my hair like growing or anything. I do wear my hair up a lot, so if anybody wants to like send me some links down below, literally put the link or put the title of your favorite video that gives like a bunch of hairstyles and like ways to like, I don't know, like just different things, because I look up stuff and like I don't know what to do to my hair. Like I legitimately have no idea how to style my hair ever. So if anybody wants to hook me up, or if any of you guys are actually hairstylists here in Arizona, DM me or whatever, comment below and say, hey girl, I want to teach you about your hair, and I will literally pull up to your salon. I will pay you to teach me how to take care of my hair and how to, you know, protective styles at night, different styling methods just throughout the day. I will pay you to teach me how to comb my fucking hair. Because all these salons around me don't know what the fuck to do. I pull up and they're like, well, you can straighten it, or you could like just put it in braids, but like I don't want to do that. I want to wear my own hair. Other than that, when it comes to products and stuff, I don't have anything new to introduce you guys today, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug this again because this is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, or just, I wouldn't even call it a leave-in conditioner, just a leave-in spray that you can use throughout the day. It does say that you could use as many times as you want. I don't use it a bunch throughout the day, but I do definitely use this every single day. Sometimes in the morning when I wake up and I just want to like refresh my curls before I put it in a bun or something, or before I go to bed, and I'll take this comb and I'll just kind of like go through my hair with this just to distribute it. But other than that, I do not use the rice water method like I said. The oil that I was using, the rose hips and honey, I have not used that in a little bit. just because I feel like my hair doesn't need it right now. It's summertime, so of course my scalp is sweating a little bit more, so I feel like we got those natural oils. That is so nasty, I'm sorry. No, I haven't been using it just because my hair has not felt dry at all and I don't feel like I need it right now. But I will probably go back to it during fall time when when the weather changes and it gets drier again. But this is the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. You can get this at Target. It's around $10. This is my second bottle of it and I'm already right here, you guys. And I started using this a couple of months ago. I absolutely love this. It's inexpensive. It makes your hair feel so nice. Like, y'all, I will just spray this through my hair and just do that and I'm good to go. It literally makes my hair feel so nice and it smells delicious. At nighttime, all I do is put my hair in 2 braids, very shitty braids, may I add, because I can't braid my hair for anything. And now I have nails because y'all been complaining. I love how I'm like pinning it on you guys. People keep saying, Vanessa, girl, fix your nails. You keep showing us these Briella lashes and we just see crust. So I got my nails done and now it's even more difficult to comb my hair. I don't know why I decided to go with long nails. My mistake, but somebody trying me, eyeballs, goodbye. Other than that, I'm trying to think if anything has really changed in my hair or anything that I've been doing differently. Biggest thing that I'm happy about right now is the back of my hair is starting to finally grow, you guys. Like, I feel like the back of my head, like, it was like volume, and then you turn it and it looks like I got smacked. It looked very flat, but now my hair is slowly like starting to like grow outwards. So I'm very happy. Maybe that has to do with the fact that my hair is growing in more thicker. I don't know. Like I said, this is the only thing that goes through my hair. I do not use brushes. I have not used a brush in months, you guys. And no, I do not have knots all in my hair. I'm not developing dreads or anything. I still, you know, go through my hair with this comb, but I do feel like this is a lot more safer on my hair and a lot more gentler compared to what I was using before, which I was using a wet brush before. Like, I was using a wet brush, so it wasn't that bad, but like I prefer to not use a brush at all. Still continue to not use the blow dryer. I have a diffuser. I finally got one, but like I don't use it. I'm kind of scared to use it just because I'm literally so scared to put any sort of heat in my hair. I want to so badly to straighten my hair to see what's gonna happen, but I'm waiting until my birthday because around my birthday, that's gonna be what? We're in June, so July, August, yikes. July, August, September, October, November. So I have about 5 months before. So I feel like maybe this in 5 months might possibly catch up and be down here. I don't know, because it's already right here, so hopefully we'll get to right there in 5 months so I can straighten my hair. Possibly get a haircut, I don't know. Rubber band wise, I don't use rubber bands in my hair anymore. I only use scrunchies. So if you guys have noticed, like, I'm always wearing a scrunchie in my hair. I completely cut out gel a couple of months ago just because I started having like issues when I would slick my hair back, and then I would notice, like, you guys remember that hairstyle I would do? I would slick it down. I would split it down the middle, slick it to the sides, and put a bun in the back. Every time I would use gel, I would like turn my head, or throughout the day, it would crack, and then it would look like I had like a bald spot in between. I'm sure somebody else has experienced that out there. So I completely cut out gel, and also some people have been telling me like, Vanessa, gel is very damaging for the hair. So I just completely cut it out like maybe a month and a half, 2 months ago, and I don't really need it. The only thing I have been using was hairspray, and I am starting to like slowly stop using hairspray too, just because like I just don't want to put all these chemicals in my hair. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I guess that's it for like this little update. I'm like looking at this like old bottle of Got To Be Glued, and I'm just like looking at, like, I'm pissed when I look at it. That Got To Be gel has ripped out so much of my hair, you guys, I swear. I don't even know why I still have it. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys are interested in checking out Function of Beauty, I will have the 20% off link down below for you guys to check them out. When I tell you, I've been using it for about a month now, and I do genuinely really like these hair care products. I would not promote a hair care product if I didn't really like it on my own. Personally, the conditioner is my absolute favorite. It does condition my hair and it makes it feel so nice. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Links will be below. Go check out my new song, Bet. Stream that stuff on Spotify. I would appreciate the support very much. Restock of Briella lashes will be in the next couple of days, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.